You guys, so typically when I do my scrambled eggs, I typically wait till it starts to bubble like this, and then I go in and I break it up and toss it until it's done and everything like that. However you want to make your style egg for this recipe, feel free, but for me, I can only really do scrambled eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all taken care of. We're going to go ahead and warm up our chicken or protein, whatever you're using for that, and we're going to put that on top and we're going to decorate it for the final presentation.